This is the third time I bought Jada Just Trucks. Let's open this thing right now. I already have the Nissan and the Hummer H2 already. So let's get opening right now. Yup. Okay, let's look at the. It has chrome grille, chrome rims. It has a center console. It has taillights, the Ford logo on the tailgate. It has taillights now, red taillights, not the red pickup trucks in the same color. This is more detailed than the one I bought earlier. This one is much better. It has chrome rims this time. Highlights, KC logo. It has blue and yellow. Let's look at the interior. Nice. 2008 F-350 Super Duty 164 scale. It has chrome grille now, detailed headlights and taillights, and the Ford logo on the back. Chrome bumper, chrome grille, and chrome rims. That's my truck right here. It's a heavy duty 1-ton F-350 single rear wheel configuration. This one is the bigger grill. Thanks for watching.